I got the COVID vaccine first dose, so this is going to be all about it. So obviously I didn't do all the hard work. My sister-in-law actually was going on refreshing the CoWIN web page for about 3 days to get us a slot. So what she did was she took all mine, my husband's, my brother's, and obviously hers Aadhaar card, and she added us as a beneficiary in her CoWIN registration number. So what happens in that case is when you get a slot, all 4 of you get it together. I don't know in depth of the process, but yeah, what I have heard from her is she diligently sat through 3 days looking at the website, understanding how it works, and then finally she got the slot for us, and that is how we got this. Otherwise it was a really competitive fastest finger first going on CoWIN web page. So we got our vaccination and it's been about 5 to 6 hours now. As of now there's not much symptoms that I can understand, but so it's 10 p.m. It's been 10 hours since we got our vaccination, and I can feel the pain on the arm where the vaccine was injected, and it's mild as of now, so I may or may not have fever because my eyes are burning, so that's a sign. So let's see, I'll keep you guys updated. So it's 3 a.m. in the night, and I just checked, I have 100.1 fever, so as per the nurse's instruction, I'm just going to have a Dolo, and hoping that would help. So it's the next day post vaccination, and I can't feel my arm. It's aching like anything, and I feel better than last night, but I have a feeling I have a mild fever. So I just checked my temperature. It's not much. It's 99.6. So I'm going to not have a tablet and maybe have it in the night if it's So today is day 3 post vaccination and I'm back to normal. Day 2 was a little tiring. I had a lot of body ache, not body ache but more like an arm ache, and very mild fever, which again didn't come back in the night, so I knew it's not going to continue. So yeah, that was it. That was all about my symptoms post the Covishield vaccine that I received at Apollo in Bangalore. And surprisingly the costs were something that I had a question mark on, because what I read in the news was quite different from what we paid for. So we paid 850 rupees for Covishield, and I don't know the bifurcation of the price. I have been told that there is state tax also involved in it, and that is why the price is different in different states and different cities. So you might have to check on that. That is one thing to note. Also, I just wanted to make you understand how to go forward with it. So there are a few things that you will have to carry with you. One is an appointment slip that you would receive once you have gotten your slot. So you can have it as a soft copy also. We needed it because we were under lockdown and the cops were all around the city and objecting everyone's travel in the city, so we had to carry an appointment slip. And yeah, so that is it you need, and a Aadhaar card. Your Aadhaar card is very important. So these are the 2 things that you require to carry with you, and the queue is going to be long, so don't forget to hydrate yourself, eat something nice, or pack also, because so what happened was we were given a slot for 3 to 5, but we knew most of the hospitals were doing a first come first serve routine, so we thought this one would also do. But they were pretty systematic that way. They were only going slot wise, and like we all know, there were only 200 people waiting in the queue, and we were, I think, 140, in the range of 140. So anyways, just like how the system was being followed, we let everyone in who were standing there for the 9 to 11 slot, 11 to 1 slot, and 1 to 3 slot. And after the 1 to 3 slot was over, we got our token number, with which we went for the registration section, where they check your Aadhaar card, they verify if it's you only who has come, and that is when they take you to the third destination. That is where you get your vaccination and you do the payment for it. So that is what happened. We went there about around 8:45, 9, but we got our vaccination at around 11 because we went too early. We got it because only 200 people were there, and everyone reached there on time and before time. So there was a proper queue, and distance was followed, and double mask, yes. So we wore our surgical mask, and we wore 2 masks to be safe. And then we carried our own water bottle, we carried few biscuits and fruits to go. Yeah, so the Apollo Seshadripuram in Bangalore had the Covishield vaccine available, and that is what we got. And so we were given a slot of 3 to 5, and but we decided to go there early after reading a lot of reviews of people who had gotten their vaccine in Bangalore, saying that it was first come first serve. But it was not like that this time. They were following a proper system, a proper time slot and token details. People above 45 plus could just walk in and get their vaccine, but for 18 plus we had to stand in the queue and wait for a token to be called for the next step. So that is how the procedure followed. And yeah. I recently got this one from Howrah Bridge, Anupriya's latest design. These are the summer frocks, and I love the color, love the print. It's such a summer color, and the best part about this, it has pockets. My God, love it. I can't wait to wear it outside, although I decided to dress up and wear it at home, but soon. Anupriya did a resale on her Instagram account recently, where she sold all her unused, very new earrings, so that she could help people who are in need of money during these tough times. And I picked up 2. One is this earring. Isn't it pretty? It's like a angel wing. So let's see how it looks. This is one. It's been ages since I like it. Obviously I like it. I got it from her, and she has some amazing accessories, no doubt. I'm always eyeing on them, but yes, this is one of the earrings that I picked up. Then I got this one, which is, I'm guessing it's a cloth material, but I like the feel of the earring, and it has this sequence. You can see it. Can you see the sequence? Yeah, the 2 earrings that I picked up from Anupriya's resale, and I love the resale, not just for the price, but also such good things that people buy and then they want to share it with others. So yes, I'm all about thrift stores and resale. So that is it from me. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions on it, I'm happy to help. You can write it to me here or you can email me. All the details are mentioned down below, so you can contact me in any of those social media links. I am Anusha, aka the Small Town Blogger. I talk about fashion and lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, like, share and subscribe for more videos that are helpful and mostly entertaining. So stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.